In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Wix plan. Whether you're looking to switch services, simplify your expenses, or perhaps take a break from running your website, understanding how to cancel your Wix plan effectively can save you time and potential complications. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser, typing in wix.com, and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard. From here, you need to locate the search bar. This search bar is a crucial tool that allows you to quickly find settings and options within your account, especially when you're not sure where to start. In the search bar, type in the word cancel. This search query will quickly pull up related options, helping you narrow down where you need to go to manage your subscriptions. Next, after typing cancel, a few options will appear. You're looking for the premium subscriptions link. Click on that, and it will take you to a list of all your current active premium plans under your Wix account. Take a moment to identify the specific plan you wish to cancel. It's important to ensure that you're selecting the right one to avoid canceling a service you still want to retain. Once you find the correct plan, you'll notice an option labeled More Actions. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down list with additional management actions related to your subscription. Here you'll find the Cancel option. Click on that, and this will initiate the cancellation process. It's worth noting that after clicking Cancel, you won't immediately cancel your plan. Instead, Wix will guide you through a series of steps designed to confirm your decision. Wix does this to help ensure you're fully informed of the changes the cancellation will bring, such as losing access to premium features associated with your plan. This confirmation process will also give you a chance to provide feedback on why you're canceling, should you choose to do so. Once you have completed all the necessary steps, your Wix plan will be successfully canceled. Remember to check your email for any confirmation messages from Wix, just to make sure everything went through smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to cancel your Wix plan. This process ensures there's no further billing for services you no longer need. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for even more helpful guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.